Get the message to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and I record my videos on Facebook Live. And of course, Facebook is doing changes in their algorithms and the way they do things all the time. And one of the things they did was change the page format. And as such, it means I have like no filters to choose from. So it was a pixelated version of me, a funky giant mouth, or a chihuahua. So I went with the dog filter today. So our idiom or expression today that is communication related for this month, this segment, to coincide with the BU 365-day challenge, is to get the message. This is an idiom and an expression that's been around for quite a long time, and it's gone through a couple of different iterations. I've heard it more often as, do you get it or get it? Since it wasn't until the 1960s that it really caught on as to get the message means to comprehend, to understand, to infer an implication that isn't from a remark or an action that isn't specifically spelled out or stated, right? British Informal uses it in the form of to understand, and to get the picture, to get an electronic message didn't come into being until 1992. To send a message, get the message as in to send a message, is dated back to the 1550s, but for the most part. And then the broad meaning of to get the message has been around since 1828, but it wasn't really until 1960 that the to understand or comprehend meaning of the phrase or the idiom get the message came into being. So what does this mean? What does this mean for our businesses? How do we get the message in order to grow and build and supersize our business? Well, anyone who's ever dated knows what I'm talking about when I say, do you get it? Do you get the message? We can tell if someone is interested in us romantically or with respect to our business by paying attention and listening. I say this all the time. People will tell us everything we need to know to help them if we just use our two ears and our one mouth, and we listen twice as much as we talk. If we ask questions, people will tell us everything we need to know. And what we want to know is our product or service for them or not? And if it's not, we don't offer it to them. If it is, we do, because we know that we can help them. At least that's my perspective on selling and offering our products and services to people and a group of people that we're here to serve, because we're not here to serve everyone. So curious, have you heard this expression? Have you used this expression? I don't know that I've said get the message or do you got it. I've definitely said, do you get it? Do you know what I'm talking about? Do you understand? More often than I've ever said get the message. But I'm sure people have told me get a clue, get a message, get the picture, pay attention, try to keep up, things like that over the years. That's our idiom for today. Any questions, comments, concerns? Share your experience with it, because that helps all of us grow. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow, not as a chihuahua. Have an awesome day. Bye.